Hi traders! Let's learn how to set up price alerts on the XM website. Start by finding the symbol you want to trade. Click the bell icon to open Price Alert screen. Choose Buy or Sell, and then set the price where you want to be triggered. Then adjust the price and hit Set Price Alert. To view your alerts, head over to the Trades tab and then Price Alerts. There, you will see all your active price alerts. Need to make changes? Tap on any alert to edit or delete as needed. Price alerts are a smart way to stay on the loop, even when you're not watching the charts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.